So we're here at Baker Beach and we're going to check that out. So we're going to just head down here and we're going to check this absolutely spectacular view out here today at Baker Beach. And it does look absolutely amazing. Golden Gate looks really nice. And the sun and all the blue sky on it looks amazing. No. So let's just zoom in to the Golden Gate Bridge there and see how amazing it actually looks, and it does look absolutely fantastic. The waves, they're just huge. Let's go have a look at them. Look at them. They're just beating up on the beach here. And look how busy Baker Beach actually is today. Even though it's a Tuesday, it's packed. There's people everywhere. And like I say, the Golden Gate Bridge looks fantastic. Absolutely amazing. We've seen it that clear from Baker Beach last year. I think we did the year before when we walked right to the end. That was really good. As I say, look at the swell of the waves. They're huge, absolutely huge.
Yeah, that got me big time.
Daryl's just got absolutely soaked. He couldn't run and get out of the way. He couldn't move quick enough.
That was a huge wave.
So I'd imagine his shoes are absolutely soaked. And here's another one. They're just belting in. I don't think that one was as big as the other one, was it? Look at this one again. They're just outstanding. They're phenomenal today. And look at the big crow that's just landed there. He's come have a look on the beach.
Oh, massive that one. Got me big time.
The noise the waves are making today is just absolutely unreal. Beautiful place. Baker Beach, San Francisco, California. And check that guy out. He's a bit of a strange one. People walking about. There's a bloke with a little dog and then another little white dog coming afterwards. Dogs are loving it. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Loving it. Let's just have another look here now at the Golden Gate Bridge before we leave and go to the next destination. I'll zoom in on it for you there. You can just hear the power of the water rumbling, and there's got to be another really big wave, I should say, that's going to come in a minute and probably come up here and get Daryl again and absolutely soak him. That guy's still standing there with that bag on his head.
Bigger and bigger.
There's got to be a big one coming in a second. Seems to have gone a bit quieter again, doesn't it? Look at the wave again there, it's huge.